Welcome back to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to draw smooth, perfectly curved lines in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you are creating a timeline, mapping out a process, or designing a custom graphic, the Curve tool is incredibly useful. Let's get straight into it. First, open your PowerPoint slide. Navigate to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Next, click on Shapes. In the drop-down menu, look under the Line section and select the Curve tool. It looks like a small wavy line. Now, move your cursor to the slide where you want the line to begin. Click once to start drawing. Instead of holding down the mouse button, simply move your mouse and click wherever you want the line to bend. Each click creates a smooth curve at that point. When you are ready to finish drawing the line, just double-click your mouse. Your basic curved line is now on the slide. Now let's make it look professional. Right-click on your newly drawn line and select Format Shape from the menu. A panel will open on the right side of your screen. Here, you can fully customize your design. To change the color, click the color bucket and select your preferred shade. To make the line thicker and more visible, increase the width setting. If you want to turn this line into a directional arrow, scroll down to the End Arrow Type section and choose the arrowhead style that fits your project. And there you have it, a clean, custom curved line in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, professional guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.